Standard Water Control consistently outperforms their competition through hard work, attention to detail, and innovation. The company is always looking for a way to do it better. As a result, they've come up with their free-flow buried discharge system. Sometimes, due to a home's design or the lay of the lot, discharge pipes need to run some distance from the house. This can be an issue both in terms of maintenance and aesthetics. Nobody enjoys moving obstacles every time they cut the grass or work in their garden, and most folks don't want a water discharge pipe competing with their landscaping. Enter Standard Water's free-flow buried discharge system. Installation is quick and easy, and in most cases is done in one day. Standard's crew digs a trench from the foundation to an appropriate point in the yard. They lay in drain tile that connects to a box at the far end. The whole system is designed to be maintenance-free, so it's out of sight, out of mind, and out of your way. The intake section of the system is designed to answer the problem of freezing. If the 4-inch main pipe ever freezes, the openings allow water to drain out. This way, your system can keep functioning and your basement can stay dry. Standard offers an optional de-icing cable to ensure the main line doesn't freeze up. Talk with your Standard Water representative to see if the de-icing cable is right for you.